Hi everyone, Melanie here from Balloon Artworks in Derbyshire in the UK, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fabulous octopus that's really easy to make and very easy to add to your balloon bouquets and displays. Let's get started straight away. Take a 260 and take your pocket pump. I've got a little bit of 260 there, wrap around my pocket pump and just wrap your 260 around. Okay. I don't want a tight spiral, so a little bit of air out. I make 3 more of these. I want a loose spiral on these 260s, which is why I'm not pre-inflating them. Your octopus, take your spirals and loosely find the centre and twist. Hold on to that between your little finger and your ring finger. Take your next spiral, do the same thing, and then twist those 2 together. Okay? And then take your next spiral, approximately the centre, and twist that into the middle. Okay. And lastly, make your last spiral, twist that in the middle and wrap that into the centre. Okay. So we've got a mess of legs here. I've got a super agate here which I've inflated to about 8 inches. So take that knot and nozzle and wrap it directly into the centre of the octopus's legs. Wrap it round a lot so it's really secure. Okay. Next I'm using a couple of eyeball print balloons, and I'm just going to inflate with 1 puff of air, but I'm putting the pump quite far down onto the print. Okay, so just 1 puff of air and tie. And make another one of those. 1 puff of air and tie. You'll see immediately that we've got a problem. So whilst the balloon's maybe the same size, the eyeball print isn't. And here's how we fix it. So what I do, I take the smaller one and I massage the balloon, so I stretch it and the eyeball goes larger. It's a little bit too large now, so now I want to reduce it in size. So I massage it inwards and outwards. And then this one I'll go a little bit larger. Okay, I'm happy with those, they're close enough. So next I'm going to tie these into a loose stretch duplicate. It's a loose duplicate, so a little bit of stretch. Okay, and take your octopus, take the eyeballs and just wrap the eyeballs into the head here. Okay, we've got a really cute octopus.